Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tool holsters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CLC Custom LeatherCraft 5 Pocket Cell Phone. CLC Tool Holder 1105 is a versatile accessory holder that allows you to hang, strap, or clip on work belts, web suspenders, pants, and more. It holds most brands of compact phones and features a 3-way attachment for pants, web suspenders, work aprons, and more. With a dimension of 6 inches x 2.5 in, this tool holder is compact yet spacious enough to hold your essential tools and accessories. You can carry your phone and tools with ease, keeping them accessible when you need them the most. With CLC Tool Holder 1105, you can stay organized and focus on the task at hand. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Holstery MagMaster Pro. Holstery Tool Holder Magnet, the MagMaster Pro is your ultimate third hand for work. It securely holds various tools and hardware, allowing you to clip it onto belts, pants, or tool bags. The super strong magnet can handle heavy tools like sledgehammers and wrenches. It accommodates a wide range of tools from screwdrivers to flashlights. Your smartphone is safe near the magnet. With its clip-on design, it's convenient for on-the-go use. This versatile tool holster is a must-have for electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and more. At number 3, we have the Perilogics Leatherman Sheath Replacement. The Perilogics Sheath Replacement is a versatile and durable nylon pouch designed to fit a variety of multi-tools, including Leatherman Wingman, Wave, Charge, Surge, Skeletool, Super Tool, as well as other brands like Victorinox, Swiss Army, Rovertac, and Gerber. It features a height-adjustable cover, allowing you to easily adjust it to fit tools ranging from 4 to 4.75 inches in height when folded. The designated pockets are specifically designed to hold your multi-tool, bit set, and bit extender, as well as an EDC flashlight and mini marker. The custom belt clip, with a belt stopper and double rivets, ensures secure attachment to belts up to 2 inches wide. The magnetic closure provides a strong and quiet seal, eliminating the need for self-adhesive closures that may deteriorate over time. Upgrade your multi-tool carrying experience with the Perilogics Sheath Replacement. At number 2, we have the Spider Tool Holster Dual Tool Kit. The Spider Tool Holster Dual Tool Kit is an ideal tool holster for carrying a variety of tools, including a power drill, driver, multi-tool, pneumatic, flashlight, hammer, saw, and more. The holster is easy to attach to any regular belt or tool belt and allows freedom of movement without excessive tool movement. The tool grips are universal and attach to the handle of any tool. The bit gripper stores 3 to 6 driver bits on the side of your drill. It is a heavy-duty tool holster with nylon composite and high-tensile steel construction that stands up to rough everyday use. With the quick draw feature, you can unlock and unholster your tool with one hand. The kit includes 2 tool holsters, 2 tool grips, and 2 bit grippers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Djibouti Holster Z 2.0 Tool Pouch. The Djibouti Tool Pouch is designed for durability and style, made from high-density Oxford fabric that withstands tough conditions. You'll appreciate its ample storage capacity, allowing you to keep essential tools like hammers and screwdrivers within easy reach. This lightweight pouch features an adjustable belt and leg strap, ensuring comfort while you work. Additionally, integrated bit holders offer convenient access to drill bits, streamlining your tasks and enhancing efficiency. Whether you're an electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool pouch is a practical choice for your toolkit. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.